So differentiation of parametric equations. Parametric equations are parametric functions. So we say a function or equation of the type x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. These equations are called parametric equations. So equations of the type x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are called parametric equations. Earlier we have seen the equations of the type implicit type and explicit type. Implicit equation is the which is, explicit equation is the which is. So explicit equation was say y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x. So this equation was called, or this function was called explicit function. So if we have y is equal to x square plus 5, y is equal to x square plus 5. Yatana is direct the relation between the dependent variable and the independent variable. Yat his cases it was easy to separate the dependent variable from the independent variable. So y is equal to x square plus 5. This was called explicit equation. So this was explicit equation or explicit function. Explicit equation or explicit function. So wherein, so explicit function simply means wherein we have a clear visible relation between the dependent variable and the independent variable. This was explicit function. Explicit function and has differentiation which is already. Now y is equal to say if we have the relation between the dependent variable and independent variable in the mixed form, is easily separate the dependent variable from the independent variable. So if we have x square plus sine xy, as we already have seen this, x square plus sine xy plus y square, you see equation where we have the mixed dependent variable and the independent variable. So this sort of equation was called implicit equation. Implicit equation. So magar dunwain cases mein chahe implicit equation ho ya explicit equation ho, we were dealing with a single dependent variable and single independent variable. Dependent variable or independent variable. Chahe is dependent variable heka separate karit from the independent variable or not. Agar separate heka karit, then it was explicit function. Agar separate heka na karit, then in that case it was implicit function. But here we have to deal with a different kind of equation or different kind of function. So if we have a function of the type x is equal to f of t, so यहाँ पे we were dealing with only two variables, x and y. So if we are dealing with three variables, say if we have x, y is any other variable and then we have any other variable, any other variable, say we have variable t. So we are dealing here with three variables, x, y and t. T bagar heko is become variable or we can manipulate these x, y and t as well. Now if we have three variables x, y and t connected by the relation, x is equal to f of t. What does this mean? X is a function of t. X is equal to f of t means x is a function of t. X is a function of t means x will be the dependent variable, t will be independent variable, and y is equal to g of t means y is a function of t. Y is any other function of t. Wherein we again mean y is the dependent variable and t is the independent variable. So ye chase actually deal kara with three variables. X is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. So we have three variables here, x, y and t, such that they are connected in such a way that x teach function, y teach function, x teach function, y teach function. That means we have two dependent variables and a single independent variable. Two dependent variables and single independent variable. So one is still x to be y, they are both, this is dependent and this is dependent, such that they are dependent on the same independent variable t. अगर इसका relation है variables which happen to be dependent, they are connected by the same independent variable which here is t, then such sort of functions are called, or such sort of equations are called parametric equations. You see independent variable t, this independent variable is called the parameter. So this independent variable t is called the parameter. So when we have variables such that x is a function of t, y is a function of t, t kya independent variable which is called the parameter. Here such functions are called parametric functions or parametric equations. So given x is equal to f of t means x is a function of t, and y is equal to f of g of t means y is a function of t. ठीक है, so x will be dependent, t independent, y dependent, t independent. ठीक है, यम ज relations they are connected in such a way that we have two dependent variables and single independent variable. उमन इसन हियन function छे इस वना, इसन हियन equation छे इस वना parametric equations. ठीक है, and you same independent variable that is called the parameter. So we have x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t, or called the parametric equations, with t being the parameter, with t being parameter. So t is parameter here. Now if we have to find derivative of these parametric equations, say we have to compute dy by dx. So dy by dx, ठीक है, as we have already been doing, where we are finding dy by dx, चाहे सो dependent, चाहे सो implicit आसे, चाहे सो explicit आसे, and again if we are dealing with the parametric equations, we will be finding dy by dx. ठीक है, now मसला छ इस किस पर करो dy by dx. Now we have dy by dx, but what is dy? Y is equal to g of t. So that means it will be differentiating both sides with respect to t. ठीक है, so t is k, we will be differentiating with respect to t. ठीक है, so it will be g dash of t. Here can यात अगर इस differentiation करो, it will be g dash of t. Isn't करो simply y divided by x. What is y divided by x? G of t divided by f of t, g of t divided by f of t, which means dy divided by dx will be g dash of t, f dash of t, g dash of t, f dash of t. Now what will be g dash of t? G dash of t means derivative of g of t with respect to t. ठीक है, so it will be y का बराबर छ g of t. ठीक है, differentiating both sides with respect to t. T is independent, so it will be dy divided by dt. So g dash of t is equal to dy divided by dt. So this will be dy divided by dt. G dash of t का बराबर ही dy divided by dt. समझ आया वहाँ? So g dash of t is equal to dy divided by dt, divided by what will be f dash of t? X is equal to f of t. T क्या है? Independent variable. So we'll be differentiating with respect to the independent variable. That means we have dx divided by dt is equal to f dash of t. So f dash of t is equal to dx divided by dt, which means so यहाँ कुछ dy by dx लिखित as here कन्या ys dy divided by dt and dx divided by dt. ठीक है, इन्हें dy divided by dt use overall derivative, so that will be equal to the derivative of the y with respect to t and derivative of x with respect to t. ठीक है, where y is a function of t and x is a function of t. ठीक है, or we can at the same time write this as dy by dt. ठीक है, so as I told you see notation ची dy divided by dx, so it is as flexible कि इस है कोई variable या constant या number हिंद पर treat करे. That means अगर ये number हिंद पर treat है को करे, यह है कोई सिमिक reciprocal है को इसलिए so है को multiply करे. So it will be equal to dt divided by dx, ठीक है, and next अगर तो ये वैसे dt and dt will cancel out, so we'll have dy divided by dx. ठीक है, so इस वन till so ये result करो इस more often use. So we say dy by dx is equal to dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx. ठीक है, in fact this rule is also you said already put, this rule is called a chain rule. Exactly, this rule is called a chain rule of differentiation. ठीक है, so chain rule of differentiation तक वने में कि chain rule गसेस क्या parametric equations मंज ते use. So अगर इस b करो repeat, so given two parametric equations, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. X is equal to f of t means x is a function of t, y is equal to g of t means y is a function of t. इससे differentiation करा with respect to the independent variable that is t here. So अगर इसमें dy by dx size करो, dy by dx size बराबर का गणित करो इस ys differentiation with respect to t, that will be dy by dt divided by dx divided by dt. ठीक है, so reciprocals में अगर इस जानो, so we'll write dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx. That means अगर इस parametric equation is और दित, and if we had to find dy by dx, then we have to differentiate both functions with respect to the independent variable that happens to be that parameter. So dy by dx की value क्या कत बराबर है? So dy divided by dx गोणित करो इस dy, ठीक है, dy आत करो इस पैरामीटर और है दिए, ठीक है, y है ये एक t थे, इट मे बी एनी अदर पैरामीटर. So dy divided by dt, ठीक है, dx आत करो इस रेसिप्रोकल, that will be dt divided by dx. ठीक है, so this is how we find the derivatives of the parametric equations. ठीक है, so differentiation checks already, differentiation rules and differentiation results we have already seen those. So as such, simply we have to find the derivatives, then we have to find dy by dx is equal to dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx. ठीक है, समझ आया? So this is how we find the derivatives of the parametric equation. ठीक है, समझ आया? So shall we proceed? Exercise चलवा. ठीक है, देखिए exercise 5.6 question number 1 चे x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to 80 raised to power 4. ठीक है, here can change if x and y are connected parametrically by the equations given in exercise 1 to 10, we have to find without eliminating the parameters is direct eliminate करूँ के. ठीक है, we have to find dy by dx. So we have to find dy by dx. So question number 1 is x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to 80 raised to power 4. So y is equal to 80 raised to power 4. ठीक है, so अगर इस याद में पूछो x is equal to 2at square, x is equal to 2at square means x is a function of t. ठीक है, y is equal to 80 raised to power 4, y is a function of t. ठीक है, so इसकी में वैल्यू छो करूँ, we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx, so what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx. So dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx, which means we have to find dy by dt and dt divided by dx. ठीक है, so first thing, so dx divided by गणित अगर इसे याद करो, differentiation with respect to the parameter t and with respect to the parameter t. So we can write dx divided by dt. What do we mean by dx divided by dt? Differentiating this function with respect to parameter t. So dx divided by dt क्या है? So 2 गैसियल, ठीक है, 2 as it is, constant ना, being constant a as it is. So then we have to differentiate t square. What will be derivative? It will be 2t. ठीक है, so dx divided by dt is equal to 4at. ठीक है, and then we have dy divided by dt is equal to a as it is, t raised power 4 is 4t cube. ठीक है, 4t cube. Now we have to find dy by dx. So that means dy divided by dx will be equal to dy divided by dt. So it will be dy divided by dt means 4at cube. ठीक है, into guys या divide by dt divided by dx. We have dx divided by dt is equal to 4at. ठीक है, that means reciprocal इलाज नेमो. What will be that? 1 divided by 4at. So 4 to be 4 guys, cancel a and a will cancel out, t cube with t, so it will be only t square. ठीक है, so this is dy divided by dx. Variable t गो ना यहाँ नजरी, t मांगो eliminate. ठीक है, so ऐसे हर क्वेश्चन में without eliminating the parameter t गसने से eliminate गसन. ठीक है, so we have to find dy by dx. In other words, ऐसे we have to find dy by dx in terms of t. ठीक है, so this is first. अब question number 2 यही देखिए. Question number 2 is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. सो x इज इक्वल टू a cos थीटा, y इज इक्वल टू b sin थीटा, ठीक है। सो नोट दैट it कुछ पैरामीटर थीटा, ठीक है। सो थीटा इज पैरामीटर हियर, सो दिस विल बी x इज इक्वल टू f ऑफ थीटा and y is equal to g of theta. X is equal to f of theta and y is equal to g of theta, which means theta is the parameter here. So again, s current dx divided by dx, dy divided by dx. What will be dy by dx equal to dy divided by d theta into d theta divided by dx, d theta divided by dx. So dy by dx is dy by d theta into d theta divided by, मतलब ऐसे करो dy by d theta value dx by d theta value, यानी यह ची करें differentiation with respect to theta and we have to differentiate this with respect to theta. So we can write, say this is first and this is second. So differentiating first with respect to theta, so it will be dx divided by d theta, dx divided by d theta. A गैसल cos थीटा की डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस साइन थीटा, ठीक है। सो दिस विल बी dx डिवाइडेड बाय d थीटा. व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ dy डिवाइडेड बाय d थीटा? b माइनस साइन थीटा, ठीक है। सो अब dy डिवाइडेड बाय dx, सो नाउ dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू, नाउ dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू, शाबाश, dy बाय d थीटा, व्हाट इज दैट? minus b sin theta. One is dy by d theta into guys 1 divided by minus a sin theta, ठीक है। So this is minus, the minus guys cancel, ठीक है। So it will be b divided by a sin theta divided by sin theta divided by sin theta, which is b divided by a, ठीक है। So dy by dx is equal to b divided by. Question number 3 देखिए. So question number 3 is x is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos of 2t. Y is equal to cos of 2t. Again we have to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx, ठीक है। अब dy by dx का वैल्यू निकालिए पहले। सो गणित अगर ये में करो dx divided by dt, so it will be dx divided by dt. What is that equal to? So it is cos of t and dy by dt वो क्या होगा? cos 2t की minus sin 2t, ठीक है। पर guys 2t is internal differentiation, so this will be into 2, so which will be into 2. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, what will be dy by dx? It will be dy divided by dt into dt divided by dx, and dy by dt is equal to minus twice sin of 2t divided by dx divided by dt. In a reciprocal, so it will be cos of t. So yatanti है कि answer थे, but if we wish to simplify it further, then we can write this as minus 2 sin 2 theta का बराबर चासा twice sin theta cos theta divided by cos of t. Now cos and cos will cancel out, so we will be left with minus 4 sin t, ठीक है, minus 4 sin t, ठीक है। So question number 4, x is equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 divided by t. कर पाओगे इसे? कोई करके देगा बोर्ड पे? यस बिलाल, शाबाश, आ जाओ, मार्कर वहाँ से लो। लिखो क्वेश्चन, x is equal to 4t, x is equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 divided by t, शाबाश। देखिए यहाँ
we know dy by dx is equal to dy by dt. यहाँ पे पैरामीटर क्या है?
t,
इसलिए यहाँ पे आएगा dy by dt into dt by dx. तो पहले हम निकालेंगे dx by dt, फिर उसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, तो dt by dx के बराबर आएगा।
Very
तो
good.
पहले dx by dt
dx by dt
that is equal to differentiation of
x with respect to
x
with respect to
with
t
respect to t, that is d divided by dt of
4t
यहाँ पे 4 क्या है? Constant
Constant.
constant है, बाहर निकलेगा और t की differentiation होगी, that is 4 into dt divided by dt, that is equal to
4 into 1 ठीक है 4 into 1
now dy by dt, अब y की differentiation करनी है with respect to t, that is equal to d upon dt of y का value क्या है? y divided by 4 divided by t, 4 divided by t, 4 क्या है? Constant बाहर निकलेगा, that is 4 into d upon
dt of
1 divided by
t very good
1 divided by t की differentiation होती है, that is 1 divided by t, जब t को हम ऊपर लेंगे तो वो होगा t raised to power minus 1 और हमें we know x raised to power differentiation of x raised to power n is equal to n times x raised to power n minus 1, तो ये होगा minus times minus 1 t raised to power minus 1 अपना और फार्मूला का minus 1, that is equal to minus t raised to power minus 2, t raised to power minus 2 को हम नीचे लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में तो वो होगा minus 1 divided by t square, तो यहाँ पे इसका वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे, that is equal to 4 into minus 1 divided by
t square very good
which is equal to minus 4 divided by
t square
तो अब dy by dt और dx by dt, लेकिन इसका रेसिप्रोकल करना है, इसका वैल्यू हम dy by dx में पुट करेंगे, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt का वैल्यू क्या है? minus 4 divided by
t square
minus 4 divided by
t square
into, लेकिन इसकी क्या है? इसका हमें रेसिप्रोकल करना है क्योंकि ये dt divided by dx है और यहाँ पे dx by dt, तो इसका वैल्यू होगा 1 divided by 4
1 divided by 4
4 और 4 कैंसल, ये होगा minus 1 divided by
t square very good excellent क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पहले देखते हैं so we have dy by dx, so we have dy by dx is equal to we have to find dy by dx, that means dy by dx is equal to कात बराबर है dy divided by d theta into d theta divided by dx, d theta divided by dx, which means first we have to find dy by d theta and then we have to find d theta divided by dx, ठीक है? So d theta divided by dx क्या है? It is reciprocal of this thing, so it will be dx divided by d theta, which means we will be differentiating this. So first of all now we have dx divided by dx, यहाँ पे mention किया करें आप, so it is chain rule, by chain rule, so by chain rule. So dx divided by d theta differentiating x with respect to theta, a था constant था वो इस multiply नेबर है आप करो ने किए, so it will be a into what will be differentiation of theta with respect to theta, so it will be 1 minus sin theta की differentiation cos of theta, ठीक है? So till dx divided by d theta is differentiation a times 1 minus cos of theta, and what is dy divided by d theta? It is it happened a 1 is differentiation 0, ठीक है? 0 plus cos theta की differentiation minus sin theta, ठीक है? And if we further simplify, this will be minus a sin theta. Now we have to find dy divided by dx, so therefore we have dy divided by dx equal to, so it will be dy divided by d theta, which is this thing, minus a sin theta divided by a into 1 minus cos theta, so a and a will cancel out, so we'll be left with sin theta divided by a go cancel, so it is 1 minus cos theta, ठीक है? आंसर है कि तो ये थे minus times, so answer है कि तो ये थे, but if you try to simplify this, थी है को इस करिए, देखिए we know sin theta twice angle sin 2 theta का बराबर चाह twice sin theta cos theta, twice sin theta cos theta. ठीक है, but when यम साथ ये तना angle twice, यम साथ angle है twice sin 2 theta, twice angle. ये तो अगर इस यहाँ पे apply करो sin theta. Now sin theta, as we know, sin theta है को इस लिखिए sin 2 into theta by 2. ठीक है, sin theta can be written as sin 2 into theta by 2. ठीक है, अब इस पे डबल एंगल फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कीजिए. So it will be sin of 2 theta का बराबर twice sin theta. Now what is theta here? Theta by 2 and cos of theta by 2, cos of theta by 2. So sin theta is equal to twice sin theta by 2 cos of theta by 2. Yes, already as identity ते लिस्ट में sin theta is twice sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So ऊपर फिर लिखिए minus sin theta का वैल्यू twice sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta, half angle formula. 1 minus cos theta is twice sin square theta by 2. So it is twice sin square theta by 2. 2 with 2 will cancel out. Sin theta by 2 guys, एक sin square theta by 2 से cancel. So it will be only cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2, and what is that? Minus magar sita. So this is minus cot theta by 2. So this will be the simplest form. So minus cot theta by 2. ठीक है, समझ आया वहाँ? Write down x is equal to sin cube t divided by under root of cos 2t, y is equal to cos cube t divided by under root of cos 2t. Again, this is one of the important questions from the exercise. So we have x is equal to sin cube t divided by under root of cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t divided by under root of cos 2t. We have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx means we have to find dy by dt first of all, and then we have to find dy by dt. Goodness is dx divided by dt. So we have dx divided by dt. Dx divided by dt. What will be that? Quotient rule like that. So it will be denominator square. So it will be denominator square cos of 2t whole square. Into guys here can denominator. So root of cos of 2t. ठीक है, so denominator square into denominator. So d by dx of numerator. अब numerator की differentiation sin cube t is क्या है? 3 sin square t into sin cube is differentiation, that will be cos of t. ठीक है, minus शाबाश sin cube t as it is sin cube t divided by into chase करेंगे the derivative of under root of cos 2t. What will be that? 1 divided by twice under root of cos of 2t into guys cos 2t as internal differentiation, that will be minus twice sin of 2t. समझ आया वहाँ? ठीक है, so this will be equal to, so square root guys it cancel, so it will be cos of 2t. अब ये ऊपर अगर हम multiply करें, ठीक है, याद रखिए denominators में 1, so इसका यहाँ multiply कीजिए, but before that 2 to 2 guys cancel here, and under root cos 2t, so it will be under root cos 2t whole square. I guess square the root cancel. So it will be cos of 2t into guys 3 करो which can multiply. ठीक है, 3 times sin square t into e cos of t, minus into minus, that will be plus. So it will be sin cube t into sin of 2t, into sin of 2t. समझ आया वहाँ? ठीक है, रेसिप्रोकल्स में क्या है? अंडर रूट cos 2t. ठीक है, रेसिप्रोकल्स में जी अंडर रूट cos 2t. सो इट विल बी अंडर रूट ऑफ cos of 2t. ठीक है, इन साथ ही वापस गए रेसिप्रोकल, इट विल बी cos of 2t. समझ आए वहाँ? सो दिस विल बी 3 times cos of 2t, and then we will have sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t divided by cos, this is cos 2t raised to power 1 by 2, this is 1, so this will be cos of 2t raised to power 3 by 2. ठीक है, अगर इसे further करो simplify, so we can write here 3 3 times so dx divided by dt. अगर इस cos 2t अगर इसको इस फॉर्मूला लगाओ डबल एंगल फार्मूला, ठीक है, cos 2 थीटा. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus twice sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus twice sin square theta. अच्छा फिलहाल करो थोड़ी इथे पढ़ा पत करो simplify. So we have dx divided by dt is equal to this thing. Now again we will solve dy divided by dt, dy divided by dt, dy divided by dt, which will be again dy divided by dt का बराबर ही अंडर रूट ऑफ, ठीक है. सो cos of 2t whole square denominator square, so denominator square cos of 2t whole square denominator square into the second denominator. So this will be cos of 2t into differentiation of numerator. What is differentiation of numerator? Cos cube t, so it will be 3 cos square t into minus sin t, minus times, ठीक है. उसके बाद cos cube t as it is into 1 divided by twice under root of cos of 2t as b. इस पर याद करें इंटरनल डिफरेंशिएशन, ठीक है. दैट इज minus twice sin 2t, so that is minus twice sin of 2t, ठीक है. 2 to 2 guys b cancel, minus into minus, that will be again plus, ठीक है. ओतमिक पर अगर इस b करो या सिंप्लीफिकेशन ये तो गई कैंसल, ठीक है. ये गई योर मल्टीप्लाई पत गई रेसिप्रोकल नीत. सो इट विल बी अगेन cos of 2t raised to power 3 by 2, cos of 2t raised power 3 by 2, वहाँ सिंप्लीफिकेशन करके. सो इट विल बी cos of 2t 3 तब बिट कैन मल्टीप्लाई cos square t into sin t, ठीक है, बट विथ माइनस. माइनस था वो बिट कैन माइनस इंटू माइनस, इट विल बी प्लस, ठीक है. सो cos क्यूब t into sin of 2t, ठीक है. एक योर मल्टीप्लाई रेसिप्रोकल में ये एज cos of 2t raised to power 3 by 2. So this is value of dy divided by dx. Now we have to find dy divided by dx. So therefore we have dy divided by dx, ठीक है. dy divided by dx का बराबर ही dy divided by dx, ठीक है. dy that will be dy by dt into dt divided by dx, so dy by dt का बराबर ही. So this is minus 3 cos of 2t cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t into sin of 2t, ठीक है. डिवाइडर्स में ये cos of 2t raised to power 3 by 2, ठीक है. मगर अच्छे कर डिवाइड्स में क्या dt divided by dx मीन्स यम चीज़ों रेसिप्रोकल मल्टीप्लाई तक cos of 2t raised power 3 by 2 का cos of 2t raised to power 3 by 2 से. So it will be guys ये term till divide, so it will be 3 times cos of 2t into sin square t into cos of t plus sin cube t into sin 2t into sin of 2t, ठीक है. अब सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए फर्दर. सो इट विल बी 3 cos of t, अगर इसे sin cos square t sin t अगर इस कॉमन करो कह टर्म, ठीक है. गोनेत अगर कॉमन करो कह टर्म, सो इट विल बी लाइक cos square t sin t, ठीक है. cos square t sin t अगर इसमें से ये ना ये नजर गसान कहें, ठीक है. कॉमन हेको वन करित कहें. But if we simplify this, so we can write minus 3 times cos 2 theta cos 2t and cos 2t formula double angle formula cos t, ठीक है. sin 2t फिर से double angle formula. So cos 2t is, so it is twice cos square t minus 1, twice cos square t minus 1. Then we will have cos square t sin t. So into cos square t sin t, ठीक है. cos square t sin t plus cos cube t as it is, cos cube t cos cube t sin 2t double angle formula which will be twice sin t cos t twice sin t cos t ठीक है twice sin t cos t divided by 3 cos 2t square b double angle formula. So this is 3 times, so we can लगा कोशिश formula cos 2 theta is twice 1 minus, so cos 2 theta we know cos 2 theta is 1 minus twice sin square theta ये formula. So this will be 1 minus twice sin square t ठीक है into करो सो multiply किम से sin square t into cos t, so it will be sin square t into cos of t plus sin cube t as it is sin cube t into sin 2t. What is sin 2t? Twice sin t cos t, so it is twice sin t cos t अब simplify कीजिए, so which is equal to, so minus 3 into 2 क्या है 6 cos square t, so it will be 6 cos square t minus guesses minus into minus, it will be plus 3 ठीक है plus 3 into choose गसान क्या cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t अगर cos t से करो multiply, so it will be twice ये so this is minus plus twice sin t into, so sin t into cos 4t, so this will be twice sin t into cos of 4t divided by shabash 3 into 1, that will be 3 minus 6 sin square t, so this will be 3 minus 6 sin square t into कैसे स्कीम से sin square t into cos of t plus twice sin t into sin cube t, so it will be sin 4t cos t, so it will be twice sin 4t cos t ठीक है sin 4t cos t which can be again written as देखिए minus 6 इम साथ इसे यहाँ से करो multiply minus 6 cos square t ऐसा अगर इम से करो multiply एक होता है minus 6 into cos square t into, so this will be cos 4 ठीक है this will be minus 6 cos 4t into क्या है sin t ठीक है into sin t plus शाबाश कोने गो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई वो करो यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई 3 cos square t sin t, so it will be 3 cos square t sin t plus twice sin t cos 4t plus twice sin t cos 4t divided by फिर से इन टर्म्स का मल्टीप्लाई 3 into sin square t cos t कुता ही 3 sin square t cos t, so it will be 3 sin square t cos t ठीक है उसके बाद minus 6 sin 4t cos t minus 6 sin 4t cos t ठीक है sin 4t cos t फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई twice sin 4t cos t plus twice sin 4t cos t ठीक है अब सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए फर्दर देखिए -6 cos 4t sin t -6 cos 4t sin t ठीक है अगर इसे याद करो ऐड प्लस twice sin t cos 4t ऐड क्या रोज cos 4t sin t क्या है cos 4t sin t ठीक है -6 plus 2 ऐड क्या है -4 so it will be -4 so -4 cos of 4t sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t 3 cos square t sin t divided by exactly ये -6 sin 4t cos t plus twice sin 4t cos t क्या है -4 sin 4t cos t ठीक है सो डिवाइड में होगा 3 sin square t cos t माइनस शाबाश 4 4 sin 4t cos t, 4 sin 4t cos t, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू सो -4 अगर इस cos t sin t कड़ो कॉमन, cos t 4t कड़ो कॉमन, सो दिस विल बी cos t sin t बुनकन t कड़ो cos t sin t कॉमन, ठीक है, नेम टर्म मज cos t sin t यहाँ से भी cos t sin t, so cos t sin t what is left over, it is -4 it क्या रोज cos cube t, -4 cos cube t it क्या रोज प्लस 3 टाइम्स cos t, ठीक है, cos t sin t द्राना कॉमन, सो दिस विल बी 4 टाइम्स 4 cos t, ठीक है, 3 cos t, ठीक है, 3 cos t, so it will be 3 cos t divided by 3 sin t cos t, आप द्राना नेबर cos t sin t, what is left over 3 sin, ठीक है, 3 sin t, so this is cos t sin t, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t, 4 sin cube t, ठीक है, cos t sin t guys cancel. Now we know cos 3 theta का बराबर क्या 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta, ठीक है, and 3 sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus, ठीक है, so this will be cos 3 theta divided by sin 3 theta which is cot of 3 theta, या तो ना
cos is 4 cos 3 cube t plus 3 cos
4 cos cube t इथे को इस माइनस कॉमन करे था, ठीक है, और या तो है को माइनस कॉमन करे था, ठीक है।